Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Squarespace Commerce Payouts to Bank, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw your Squarespace Commerce Payouts to your bank, first, log in to your Squarespace account. Navigate to the home menu on the left side of your screen. Click on the Commerce option in the menu. Select Payments from the Commerce options. You will see an overview of your payment methods. Make sure your payout method is connected. If you haven't set up a bank account for payouts, click on Manage Account. Follow the prompts to connect your bank account. Enter your banking information as requested. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Once your bank account is linked, return to the Payments section. Here, you will find your payout schedule. Payouts are typically processed 2 to 3 business days after a sale is completed. Make sure you have sufficient balance in your Squarespace account for withdrawal. If you wish to withdraw funds, look for the Withdraw option. Click on Withdraw to initiate the process. Follow the on-screen instructions to confirm the withdrawal amount. Once confirmed, the funds will be sent to your bank account. Check your bank account for the transaction in a few business days. If you encounter any issues, refer to the Squarespace support documentation. You can also contact customer support for additional assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.